Dear friends, the Congress manifesto about the Bajrang Dal is a masterstroke. This card will pay to the Congress or it will be benefited and BJP will come to their trap or it will be backfired. The majority of the youngsters in Karnataka, boys and girls, did not like Bajrang Dal activities. They are against them. The way Bajrang Dal people attack their gatherings on Valentine's Day or on their outings, functions and gatherings or other occasions. They really hate them. In Karnataka, the young generation literate and they want to enjoy free time. They even do not want to listen to anyone. They do not want people to bother them. They do not want harassment in their activities. They are young, educated and hardworking. They want enjoyment. Even now and then, Bajrang Dal attack their gatherings, disturb their functions. The Bajrang Dal attack restaurants and pubs and hung around. The young generation is aware of the religion, but they want freedom to enjoy their free time. They do not want some people to hang out and disturb them and tell them to do this and do not do this. Congress addressed their concern and assured them they are sizable voters. Congress showed concern about their fear and threat. Congress wanted to assure youngsters that they do not feel threatened and bothered that these fringe elements from Bajrang Dal or any organization will disturb their gatherings and parties and functions and spoil their enjoyment. Congress played this card masterly, is to assure these young generations, asserted their issues and assured them that they will take strict action and even ban them if these young generations disturbed. The young guys, the majority of them, 99.9% Hindus, are very vocal against Bajrang Dal activities. Congress banked on this generation and vote bank. Will they support Congress for this or it will be boomerang and be fired back? The way PM Modi reacted to this issue, it will boost Congress expectation to gain and attract the new generation, or it will be backfire. If it is converted from a social ills issue to a religious issue, it will somewhat backfire. But so far, on social media, the young generation is standing and supporting the Congress, and they are pro to eradicate fringe elements from the society. The Karnataka people are very progressive and vocal and want liberty and freedom. Let's see who will win. The progressive, liberal and pro-young men and women groups for whom Congress banked or the Congress stand with them, the group of fringe elements with whom the other side forces stand and side and banked heavily with the media to attack Congress. The young generation's vote will decide the game. See the next move. Congress left the ball in the BJP's court. Their reaction will create more reactions. The feedback will be discussed and addressed. Let's see what the Congress next move. But so far, the young generation on social media is supporting Congress. They openly criticizing BJP and they want to eradicate the fringe element from the society. What will happen? Let's see. Thank you.